everybody, welcome to Tips from Stella, and just continue marching in sport with me so that we get to warm up our bodies for this workout. If you're new, please be sure to subscribe and hit that bell button so that every time I upload new videos you receive notifications. If you are returning, I'm very happy to have you, and it's all about the arms today. We are gonna be working on those arms, getting rid of all that unwanted flabby fat we don't want, and getting to tone up as well so that we can build strength as well in the arms. So just continue marching. I hope you are hydrated enough for this workout. You actually don't need any equipment for this workout. No dumbbells, no nothing, just yourself and you. Next we shall move on to 45 seconds of upper right row. So you want to bring your arms down and you want to begin bringing them up, raise and raise up, then bring them down and down. Pull your abs towards the spine so that we keep them engaged the entire time. This is also part of our warm-up. This is a very good warm-up. We are warming up the shoulders, the chest, and the arms. Keep going. Come down and down, relax it out. Moving on to circles, beginning with the front. So you want to pull your abs towards the spine and begin making those small circles, beginning from the back to the front. 30 seconds of these. Keep going. I guess you feel the tightening up already and you feel the work in your arms, and we are going to move on to backwards. So just pause and do the opposite direction. Pull those abs towards the spine to keep them engaged the entire time. Continue going for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you want to leave it right there. We are going to do 45 seconds of arm pulses or wipes. So just keep in position and you just keep bringing your arms up and down, up and down. I already feel the burn, guys. I guess you are feeling it too, and you are seeing how my muscles are working over here. Just continue going. You're doing a great job. Yeah, I feel the burn over there, but I trust you won't give up on me, guys. So just continue going. You have only just about 5 seconds, so keep going for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax it out. Next, you want to bring your hands under your chin, and we are going to begin moving them to the side, and we are going to be doing this for 1 good minute. So you want to pull your abs towards the spine and you begin to the side and back, to the side and back, to the side and back, stretching them out to as far as you can reach, guys. Side and back. Keep going to the side, back, feeling those arms, the shoulders getting worked up.
Do it right, just do it. Do it right, just do it. Do it right, just do it. Just do it right, do it right. Do it right, just do it.
Keep breathing in and out, and just let me know how this workout made you feel in the comment section below once you are done with this workout. So just continue for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, and you want to relax it out. And next you want to reach out your arms, and we are going to begin bringing the thumbs down and up, thumbs down and up, down and up. We are doing 30 seconds of this. Yes, I actually feel it burning over there, but keep going. Down and up, down and up, down and up. Keep going for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, and feeling that burn in there. We are gonna be moving on to 45 seconds of punches, so make sure you punch out as far as you can go. Make sure you don't strain your muscles in the process, just go as far as you can go. So just prepare and punch, alternating right and left arm. Feels like you're punching out all your worries, all your problems, all that negative energy, and as you punch you will feel those muscles working out as well. So just keep punching, keep going. You still have some seconds to go. Keep breathing, pulling those abs towards the spine. Just keep giving me more punches. And relax it out. Well done. And we are going to be moving on to the speed bag, guys, and we shall be doing 45 seconds of the speed bag. And you want to pull your abs towards the spine, and you want to begin rolling out those arms, abs towards the spine, as much speed as you can. If you don't know already, this is actually one of my favorite workouts. One of my favorite workouts for burning off that fat, for getting rid of any flab skin that we don't want, and for toning up as well. If you don't have time to do a full workout, just get some time, only a few minutes, and do this speed bag. So just continue going. We have some more 5 seconds to go. Keep rolling for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, relax it out. I feel the burn, guys. I feel the burn. Next, we want to move into a slap and clap. So we shall be slapping for 1, 2, 3 and clap, and the other hand 1, 2, 3 for 45 seconds, beginning straight away. So you want to 1, 2, 3 clap and clap, clap. Feels like you're dancing, yeah? 1, 2, 3 clap, clap, slapping and feeling those muscles working and tightening up. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, clap, 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 and clap, 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 keep going, clap. Give me one more per side. Clap. 1, 2, 3, and well done. Next, we are going to be moving into an isometric move. It's like a battle of the biceps and the triceps. You want to move one leg back so that you are stable enough, and you want to begin with the left arm, bring it to 90 degrees, and bring the other arm, put it on top, and you're going to be pushing down onto the other hand, and the other hand is going to be pushing up. So we are going to do this for 30 seconds. So just push against the other, and the other pushing also against the other, and feel that tightening happening over there. So pull your abs towards the spine. Just keep pressing for as much as you can, feeling those muscles working against each other. That is the biceps and the triceps, and just continue pushing right there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and get up. Moving on to the other hand, still bring it to 90 degrees and bring the other one on top of it, and you're going to be pushing the arms against each other. Keep pushing and keep holding right there, pushing for as much as you can. Keep going. Pull those abs towards the spine. Keep pushing, feeling those muscles tightening up for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax it out, guys. Coming towards the end of our workout, we are going to be stretching it out, beginning with the right hand, and we shall be holding this for 20 seconds. It has been a very good workout. The muscles have done a very good job and they really need to be stretched out. So just stretch out the right arm and you want to hold it right there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Moving on to the other arm. Pull your abs towards the spine and you can do some wrist rotations as well. And keep stretching it right there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and come down. You want to bring your arms back and you want to bend down, stretching out those arms and pull your abs towards the spine. We are going to be holding these for 30 seconds. Feeling that stretch in the muscles. You know this is the best part of all my workouts. I love to stretch it out. Just continue stretching for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then you want to come up. You want to breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. One more time, breathe in and breathe out. Coming to the end of our workout. A high five if you made it this far. How are your arms doing? Please let me know in the comment section below. Well, that is just about it for today. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and leave me a comment if you have any questions or something to tell me. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to connect up with me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest because I do share lots of wellness and useful tips over there too. It means a lot to me when you join my growing family on here, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell button so that every time I upload a new video, you receive notifications. Don't forget to check out my other videos as well. See you in the next video and don't forget to love yourself first. Bye bye.